Hello and welcome. Today I will be doing a quick sound check on this Hoover Senior that was reconditioned by Summit. I'm not sure when, but first of all I'll give it a quick try. This machine has a shakeout bag on it rather than a paper bag that you can take out and bin. First of all, I will do the sound reading right up to the machine. So, switch this on. Hopefully you could read that. That was 93.4 decibels. Next I will do it about a metre in front of the machine. So let's reset it. That was reading 77.8 decibels. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.